just going to draw around the old door cards that we have so we can cut it out. Here for the back door, especially, we're actually using a thicker 10mm plywood because we want to do something special, mount some tables on it at the back. But normally we just use 5mm plywood. So the thing to watch out for here is we have these holes, which is where the clips were before. So behind this hole is a big hole in the metalwork of the van. So you cannot screw through this area here. So it's very important to know where these are. And the next process after this is going to mark where we can actually screw through with our self-tapping screws. Okay, so with a jigsaw, the violent movement of the blade can create a ripping sensation in the grain of the wood. So if you cut around, especially the cross grain, you see here the crane is going across the pencil line. So if you cut this in through the first layer of wood with a knife, then you don't get the grain breaking with the violent nature of the jigsaw.